I've been comparing the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the American Express Platinum for a while now. And in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased take on which one actually comes out on top in 2025. Both cards are premium travel-focused credit cards, but they cater to slightly different types of users. The Chase Sapphire Reserve is all about flexibility. You earn 3x points on travel and dining, and those points transfer easily to multiple travel partners. It also comes with an easy-to-use $300 annual travel credit that applies to almost any travel purchase. The card shines when used through Chase's travel portal, and with strong insurance protections and Priority Pass lounge access. It's a go-to for frequent flyers who want both value and simplicity. Now, the Amex Platinum leans more toward luxury. You get access to over 1,400 lounges worldwide, including the more exclusive Centurion lounges, and the perks stack up quickly. $200 in airline fee credits, $200 for Uber, $240 for digital entertainment, and more. But it's worth noting that these benefits are spread across categories that not everyone may use. The annual fee is higher, and many of the perks require activation and a bit of effort to fully maximize. That said, if you travel in style and love exclusive access, the Platinum delivers a premium experience. So here's the verdict. Go with Chase Sapphire Reserve if you want straightforward, high-value rewards with minimal effort. But if you're all about luxury, don't mind a little extra work to unlock benefits and travel frequently enough to use them. The Amex Platinum could be the better choice. I hope this comparison helped you find what fits your lifestyle best. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.